As the ongoing war in Gaza continues to devastate the region, residents, particularly those living in displacement camps, are facing severe health crisis. Now, with the collapse of critical infrastructure and worsening sanitation conditions, the spread of infectious diseases is becoming an urgent concern. According to the United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestine refugees, they are working to alleviate the crisis, but the situation remains dire. Yahya Jammeh has the details.
Residents of the Gaza Strip, many of whom are living in tents within overcrowded displacement camps, are confronting a growing public health crisis. The ongoing conflict has led to the collapse of sewage systems and the accumulation of waste, creating the perfect breeding ground for infectious diseases. Health risks are escalating, especially as the region grapples with the widespread outbreak of insects, fleas, and rodents. Severe overcrowding, along with limited access to basic sanitation services, has made these conditions even worse. Local residents have expressed increasing concern over the growing presence of pests. A displaced woman speaking from her tent shared her experience. She said they are suffering today from biting insects, especially fleas. Their children are in a lot of pain from itching and bites. She said they are tired of treating it with simple methods, and there are still no appropriate medicines available at the medical point. Another man living in the camp described the ongoing struggle, stating that intense heat and sleeping on the sand have been exposed to attacks by rodents and mosquitoes. The Environmental Health Office intervened and sprayed insecticides in the area, but the situation remains difficult. In response to the health emergency, the United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestine refugees has initiated efforts to mitigate these risks. These include incentive insecticide spraying campaigns and organizing health awareness sessions to educate displaced families on hygiene and prevention measures. However, the humanitarian situation continues to worsen as Gaza's infrastructure collapses under the weight of the ongoing conflict. And there is a growing shortage of essential supplies, including clean water, food, and medical services. According to the United Nations, a staggering 80% of Gaza's population now depends on humanitarian aid for survival. The ongoing war has exacerbated an already dire situation, leaving residents in desperate need of urgent assistance to avoid the spread of disease and to restore basic living conditions. For African News, Khadija Tujalo.